In the summer months, we're looking at what type of cover crop we want to plant, what timing we're going to get that out there, which dictates what type of cover crop that you're going to select. We use cereal rye due to its flexibility. We have moved towards aerial seeding that cover crop here in the last couple of years, so we're talking to our seed salesmen, we're talking about the rate of application, we're talking to either the airplane operator or here in the last couple of years we've utilized a drone. So we're logistically lining all of those things up so that the cover crop can be flown on at the ideal time as the cash crop is starting to dry down in the fall. I rely heavily on my seed salesman. He's been doing cover crops for many, many years, so he has that experience across not only his farm, but the other customers that he deals with, to know what cover crops work in our area, after what crops, at what rates. So we're constantly talking about, if we're doing a blend, tweaking our rates of application to get the best bang for our buck. I work with our agronomist, so we're looking not only at our soil fertility, but looking at the health of our cash crop and how our cover crop might be impacting that to help make decisions of not only applications that need to happen that same year, but again in future years of things that we need to adjust across our operation to have the cash crop be successful. And then finally, we work with our custom applicators. You know, they have to know what we're planting, what our intentions are, so that they can adjust what herbicides they're using so that it doesn't impact the cover crop germination in future years. And they have to know what time we need to kill that cover crop in the spring so that we can plant our cash crop